and complete the look with a gallery and complete the look with and complete the look. Hey everyone, it's Laurenz. If this is the first time you're watching, welcome to my channel. And for those who have been watching since day one, it's good to see you again. Here I transform spaces without breaking the bank, and all the pretty things that you see on Instagram and Pinterest, I'm bringing them to your spaces. I know most of our homes have bookshelves and cabinets. Today, we're styling an old and dusty bookshelf for just 1,000 pesos or $30. It's almost half of 2020. How's everything going? I've been working from home for almost 2 months now, and Singapore is preparing to enter the new normal phase until vaccine is available. Still a lot of restrictions. Restaurants will be closed for dine-ins and will only be available for takeaways. And I was able to have my haircut already after almost 2 months. How about you? How are you coping up with the current situation we're in? Today, I will share with you how I styled the old and lifeless bookshelf in the corner of our home. This is the easiest makeover that I have done so far. Yes, for this makeover, you only need a paint, a brush or a ruler, and 3M command strips. Wow. This makeover only took 2 days and it's very simple. I know you can do it too. I'm introducing a new design staple, and that is the color palette. You need to consider this when you're doing your mood board. For this project, here's the inspiration. This is the current situation. It's very uninspiring and unsightly. It really needs help. Wait, if you're watching at home, look around and I'm sure you have this kind of look around and I'm sure that you have this kind of situation. It's such an eyesore, right? We're getting rid of this desktop computer and we'll replace it with a console table and complete the look. Wow! And complete the look with a gallery wall. We need to clear the bookshelf and choose the books that we want to retain. The bookshelf is also craving for a fresh coat of white paint. We're styling the shelf with decorative pieces that we already have in the house. Well, it may be an empty jar, a candle, a plate, a mug, anything that you see in your house that can be used for decoration. Just look around and I'm sure you'll be able to create a masterpiece with what you already have. Clean the surface and let it dry before you paint. We're using a semi-gloss latex paint. And while you're waiting for the paint to completely dry, prepare the frames you're going to use for the gallery wall. My mother has lots of frames in the house in different colors, sizes, and style. You can spray paint on them if it doesn't match your color palette. I'm putting a family photo, my brother's old artwork from school 20 years ago, and some abstracts. And if you have not watched that video on how I did the gallery wall, you can watch it here.
Hi Ka, I'm giving you this 3 curry, but you can eat it later, okay? Mommy will go to the toilet, okay? And then when mommy comes back, then you can eat it, okay? Okay? Say okay. Say okay. Say okay. Okay. You will eat it later, okay? Mommy will just go to the toilet. You wait for mommy. Don't eat it yet. And then when mommy comes back, then you can eat it, okay?
No, 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 no.
In shelf styling, there are 2 things that I consider. For the accessories, group them in odd numbers, in 3s or 5s. And take note of the size, height, and color of the things that you're putting together. And the rest is up to you. How about that? 1,000 pesos has really made a big difference in the bookshelf. Not only the bookshelf, but also on the entire outlook of the house. Sometimes you just have to explore a little and be brave to take the step forward.
Wow.
Take advantage of this quarantine period to redecorate and update your spaces. Get inspiration from the things around you. If I have inspired you to create this kind of design, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if it's not too much to ask, please share this video with people like us who love to design and make things beautiful. And if you have not pressed that button yet, go ahead and be part of this growing family. I promise to share with you more inexpensive ways to decorate your spaces. Always remember, if I can do it, you can do it too.
Wow.
I'd like to thank everyone for sending me your appreciation in the previous videos. And this week I got a comment from a subscriber and it melted my heart. I don't personally know her, but I hope to meet her in the future. Like SJ, let's continue to spread positive vibes. Maraming salamat po sa pagnood. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Laurenz. Subscribe.
Wow.